Hello everyone. Here we will practice the dialogue for the midterm test of our semester.
First of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Narendra Putra Fadilah.
And my name is Cristoper Melano. Hi Naren.
Hey Chris, sit down please.
Okay, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. What about you?
I'm really fine. How was your assignment yesterday?
Oh, I have done it.
Good. By the way, do you play some games?
Yes, I do. I play Mobile Legends Bang Bang.
Is that very good? Explain to me, please.
Mobile Legends Bang Bang is a multiplayer online battle arena or MOBA game designed for a mobile phone. The game is free to play and is only monetized through in-game purchasing like character and skin. The game, the player can control a selectable character called a hero with unique abilities and traits.
Interesting. Why do you play this game?
I really like this game because I play with my friend and it's very easy to play.
I've ever had other game like that. The name game is Vainglory, but it's been a long time.
I don't know about the game. Can you tell me?
Vainglory definitely is more F2P friendly and has better, more responsive staff who are passionate about their job. Also, it is more skill-based to compare Mobile Legends, which involve to know skills. While in Vainglory, there is so many strategies, visions, wall passing, objective seeker, etc.
Oh, interesting. Maybe I will play it next time.
Oh, unfortunately, Vainglory's publishing partner, Review Games, has shut down the server.
What the same? How about you? What game are you playing recently?
Oh, I play PUBG Mobile.
Oh, I do. I play it too.
Good. Then, what if we play some games now?
Okay, let's go.
Oh, that was one. Sorry, I was late.
Oh, it's okay. We can play together next time.
Yeah, it's been nice playing with you, Naren. But sorry, I have to head out.
It's okay.
Yeah, see you, Naren.
See you.
Someone tell me